Semiconductor Packaging. John D. Thomas, Alex Ruth. Book 5, Section 2, Chapter 2, Topic 1. Introduction to Semiconductor Package Manufacturing. Semiconductor package manufacturing is a pivotal stage in the production of integrated circuits, ICs, encompassing a series of intricate processes aimed at enclosing semiconductor dies within protective packages while facilitating electrical connections and thermal dissipation. This overview provides a comprehensive exploration of semiconductor package manufacturing, delving into its key stages, technologies, and considerations. Understanding semiconductor packaging. Semiconductor packaging involves the encapsulation of semiconductor dies, which contain the integrated circuits, within protective casings or packages. These packages serve multiple purposes, including providing mechanical support, facilitating electrical connections, protecting against environmental factors, and aiding in thermal management. Key stages of semiconductor package manufacturing. A. Die preparation. The manufacturing process begins with die preparation, where semiconductor wafers are fabricated and diced into individual dies. Each die contains a complete set of integrated circuits and serves as the core component of the semiconductor package. B. Die attachment. The next stage involves attaching the semiconductor dies onto carrier substrates using adhesive or soldering techniques. This step requires precision and accuracy to ensure proper alignment and contact between the die and the substrate. C. Wire bonding, flip chip bonding. Once the dies are attached, electrical connections, known as interconnects, are established between the die and the package leads or contacts. This is typically achieved through wire bonding or flip chip bonding methods, depending on the packaging technology and design requirements. D. Encapsulation. Following interconnect formation, the semiconductor package is encapsulated or sealed using materials such as epoxy resin or molding compound. Encapsulation protects the delicate semiconductor components from moisture, dust, mechanical stress, and other environmental factors. E. Testing and inspection. After encapsulation, the packaged ICs undergo rigorous testing and inspection to verify their functionality, performance, and quality. This includes initial testing to detect defects, functional testing to assess product features, and final inspection to ensure adherence to specifications and standards. F. Marking and packaging. Once tested and inspected, the packaged ICs are marked with serial numbers, date codes, or other identifying information using laser marking techniques. They are then packaged into trays, tubes, or reels for shipment to customers. Technologies and techniques in semiconductor package manufacturing. A. Surface mount technology, SMT. Surface mount technology is a popular method for attaching semiconductor dies to carrier substrates, allowing for precise, high-speed, and automated assembly processes. B. Flip chip technology. Flip chip technology enables direct electrical connections between the semiconductor die and the substrate, offering advantages such as higher density, improved thermal performance, and enhanced electrical characteristics. C. Molded interconnect device, MID. Molded interconnect devices integrate electronic circuits directly into the package substrate, eliminating the need for separate interconnects and reducing assembly complexity and size. D. Advanced packaging techniques. Advanced packaging techniques, such as system-in-package, SIP, wafer-level packaging, WLP, and 3D integration, enable the integration of multiple dies and components into a single package, enhancing performance, miniaturization, and functionality. Considerations in semiconductor package manufacturing. A. Material selection. Choosing the right materials for encapsulation, substrate, and interconnects is crucial for ensuring reliability, thermal performance, and compatibility with assembly processes. B. Process control. Strict process control measures are essential to maintain consistency, quality, and yield throughout the manufacturing process, minimizing defects and ensuring compliance with industry standards. C. Testing and quality assurance. Robust testing and quality assurance protocols are critical for detecting defects, verifying functionality, and ensuring product reliability and performance.
D. Cost and efficiency. Balancing cost-effectiveness with manufacturing efficiency is paramount in semiconductor package manufacturing, requiring optimization of resources, equipment utilization, and production workflows.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.